one gopi, Radhika, she even says that I have no concern. I've lost all conception of myself. I've lost all interest in my own. I have no self-interest. My happiness or my distress, it's irrelevant. I don't have any connection with it. Radharani offers one prayer where she says, if Krishna, if my Krishna Kanta, my beloved Lord, my Priyatam Sham, my Krishna, if he finds pleasure in making me unhappy, then I consider that unhappiness that I will endure or experience is the cause of my greatest happiness. This is an extraordinary extent of surrender and submission and dedication and immaculate divine love. Oh, Krishna is ignoring me or neglecting me or running with some other gopi or being with some other gopi or even making me so unhappy. Okay, let it be. What do I care? I've forgotten all about my own happiness. I've forgotten about my own peace of mind or concern. If he finds happiness and make me unhappy, then that unhappiness becomes the greatest happiness for me. A very extraordinary display of divine love in the gopis. So this is the basic understanding of this verse. Nishamya Gitam Tarananga Vardhanam Brajastriya Krishna Grihita Manasa Ajagmaran Yonyam Alakshito Dhyama Sayatra Kanto Javalola Kundala